Well, hey there again, fellow rail fans. I'm Locomotive Mike, and welcome back to the main track. Well, today we made a quick stop in Appleton City, Missouri, along the old Katy Railroad line toward the St. Louis area. And the folks here in Appleton City have on display this nicely restored Katy caboose next to their old historic depot. So if you're ever here in Appleton City, Missouri, you want to check these things out right here. Well, that reminds me of back in the spring of 2018 when I had the privilege of presenting at the Katy Railroad Historical Society convention. A part of the festivities that day included a very special train ride, and we had a front seat to all the action.
It was a gloomy, rainy morning in Baldwin City, Kansas, but there was excitement in the air. On this day in April of 2018, former Missouri-Kansas-Texas RS3M number 142 is ready to go. She'll be pulling a special charter trip over the Midland Railway for the Katy Railroad Historical Society convention. Our train includes another piece of MKT history that's been restored and preserved by the Midland, this transfer caboose, number 5. Our friend Dan Dawson is our engineer this day on a 22-mile round trip.
Conductor 142, eyeball south.
Eyeball south, here we go. Eyeball south.
After we all climb aboard, Dan eases the throttle open, and 142's 59-year-old prime mover rumbles to life. And slowly we head south out of Baldwin City.
Crossing clear.
Clear? Oh no, we just go down there past this. Down there somewhere close to the
Mike Beam is the other crew member joining us in the head end.
I believe you're right, Dan. Nice and big.
On slope.
On the slope. Crossing clear.
Clear. I see a green board.
Yep, green at 17.
The train rolls along, jointed rail through farmland and patches of woods, intersected by quiet country roads.
Okay, sir, on the east side of the crossing. East side.
142 was originally manufactured by the American Locomotive Company, or ALCO, and delivered to the Katy in 1951. As an ALCO, her designation was an RS3 road switcher and was number 1701 on the Katy roster. In the late 1950s, the MKT found itself with a hodgepodge of locomotives from several manufacturers, such as ALCO, Baldwin, and EMD. To streamline things and bring some consistency, the railroad embarked on a program to re-engine all non-EMD units with EMD prime movers. And so in 1959, 1701 went under the knife, and EMD rebuilt her with a new engine and replaced the ALCO long hood with an EMD GP9 body, but kept the ALCO cab and short hood. The end result was number 142, with a new designation of RS3M, M for modified. In the 1970s, the unit was repainted from red to the Whitman green and yellow scheme the Katy was known for. 6 RS3Ms remained on the Katy roster through the Union Pacific merger in 1988 and remained active until being retired in 1989. 142 was sold for scrap, but she was saved from the torch and made her way here to Midland Railway and eventually was repainted into her original red color. The folks have been working hard to keep her classy. Careful not to stick our heads too far out of the cab window because of things just like that. This track is the former Santa Fe Railway, Lawrence District. It was constructed back in 1867 by the Leavenworth, Lawrence, and Fort Gibson Railroad. In 1963, the Santa Fe pruned the line back from Lawrence south to Baldwin City. And in 1987, Santa Fe received permission to abandon the line from Baldwin south to Ottawa. That is when the Midland stepped in, and since then has operated excursion, charter, and dinner trains on the 11-mile line. We pull into Norwood Station, Kansas, where 142 will run around the train and will head back north. The line actually continues another 3 miles south, where it connects with BNSF's former Santa Fe Transcon main line at Ottawa.
Copies that North Switch line. Thank you.
Better hold on.
I thought you were hanging a squirrel out the window here. That's a squirrel. That's a windsock. Squirrel.
Right in the cloud. Here comes your second.
Give you the finger, please.
With 142 now on the northbound side of the train, Dan opens the throttle back up and we're rolling again.
If you ever hear about the train to nowhere, this is the railroad. Clear.
At the grade crossing with Road 150, we disembark for this photo run by. And before we know it, we're back in town.
Just a little bit closer.
Pulls into the old Santa Fe Depot. Interestingly, while the town is called Baldwin City, Santa Fe referred to it as Baldwin here on its 1906 station and in timetables. Thanks for the ride, Dan. We appreciate the folks here at Midland Railway letting us experience both the old Katy and Santa Fe all in one trip.
And of course, now a shameless plug for some of our Katy products on the shops at our website, themaintrack.com. Be sure to visit our store and check out the book, Show Me Katy, as well as our follow-up DVD called Katy's Country. Again, both of those on themaintrack.com. If you've not already, please subscribe to us here on YouTube so you can keep getting these train videos, and follow us on Instagram as well as Facebook. Until next time, thanks for joining us. I'm Locomotive Mike, and remember, keep on tracking.